everyone, this is Librarian Maggie with a really simple DIY for you. If you registered for our pickup kit, you will get in this kit 2 of these. They're adhesive backed cork sheets and 50 Scrabble tiles. And that's really all you need, except for a X-Acto blade just to cut down your cork after. Just be really careful with it. A scissor also works. I just find this to be easier. So these are really the 2 things you need. And for those of you at home who are not registered, you can get these on Amazon in anywhere from 200 packs all the way up through 1,000. And the cork sheets are really easy to find. The craft stores have them. Amazon has them. Dollar Tree has them. I like to get the adhesive backed ones so you eliminate the glue. So we're going to just start by peeling this off of our cork. If you got a kit, the letters, they're all random. If you can make some words out of it, that's definitely fun. And you can certainly flip some of your tiles over if you want blank spaces. There are a few blanks in there somewhere, but you can always just flip it to make your own. Or you can do what I like to do and just throw the letters on at random, which is what I'm going to do. It's kind of fun to double as a word game, see how many words you can make out of it. This adhesive is pretty strong, so you really don't need to involve glue. And you're just gonna stick your letters on. You're gonna be doing a 5x5 coaster. If you picked up a kit, that's how many tiles you have in there to do both of them. So I've got a blank there. Just want to make sure you line it up really well. That way they're all in line with each other. It is very sticky, so try to be sure your tiles are exactly where you want them. And there you go. So we've got a 5x5 coaster. You can do 4x4 if you want. You'll just have extra tiles. And now you're gonna either cut down with a scissor the excess cork or use an X-Acto knife like I'm gonna do. Just make sure you have a cutting board of some type underneath in case you cut into your table. You really don't want to do that. And that's it. You'll have more tiles in your kit if you got a kit to do 2 of them, like I said. I'm just going to make 1. And there you have it. So now it doubles as a decorative coaster for you. And a fun game to play at home. Figure out what kind of words you can make. So I hope you enjoyed this fun craft, and I hope you make some for your own home. And I will see you guys in our next video.